Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and weakening trees. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pembroke County in southeastern North Carolina, southern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Lagoon to near Elkton to near Bladenboro, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Rowan, Lake Waccamaw, Sandyfield, Point Caswell, Hallsboro, Redbug, Council, Curry, The Borough, Riegelwood, Carvers, Lisbon, Lagoon, Montague, Elkton, Rooks, Emerson, Kelly, and Freeman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties.